love your hair.
You love my hair.
Yeah. It's nice, but girl, this is not for cake.
I'm not cake.
I know, but I'm talking about £500. I fixed this in UK and I bought it £500.
But you buy one for me now.
This is almost 4,000. Hello.
Okay. And I love your
Waiter! Oh, you love everything about me.
It's nice.
I'm a Ghanaian, you know. I fixed this in a car.
Oh, it's
Ghana.
nice. Ghana.
Ghana.
Wow.
Hello. You both doing good?
Sure.
Yes.
Sorry, you know, I heard she has lived in UK before.
Sure.
Yes.
Where did you base?
At first, I was at Somerset and I moved to Charlotte Street.
Somerset, Charles Street. You
And
sure?
I'll take you there. Okay. I'll connect you.
You're Kenyan, I was Dubai. Charles Street, I was Dubai. And at Somerset, I was Walker. I was Cape Town in South Africa. So what meal?
Are you okay?
Oh, you not too much.
You need a Brazilian now. Oh, you're open. Come on, I'm into you. No, you're Brazilian now. Baby. No, me, cause I was there.
Hello! Who knows Charles Street?
Hey,
Who knows Somerset? What the name Charles Street? What the name Somerset? Charles Street in Dubai. Somerset in Cape Town, South Africa. What you have said in UK? You mean UK for na me ben? Hello, good in mass. Red, gold, green. Memorial, red, gold, green. Yeah, Frozen. What's your name?
Abena Ghana.
Kotogo, no dog one.
Please.
What?
You know what? Okay. You know what? For a second, I believed you. Nothing. How could you lie to me? I'm your friend. Tell me, my life. It's you.